So as you step out your door, you'll have snow on your porch. It could be very piled up. Um, so be careful when you go out of your porch. Some of you might have ice on your porch. Some of you might have a lot of snow. Just be careful when you step outside. I'm gonna go and grab my ruler and see how much snow we have now. Right here we got about 5 inches on the picnic table. So now let's see about the roads. The measurement on the roads. I'm going to measure over here because we scraped this side a couple of times last night to build stuff. We got about 4.5 inches. As you can see, the roads are covered in snow. And you got just packed snow on the main roads. It's dangerous out there. And then at your end of your neighborhoods, you're dealing with about 4 inches, maybe 5. Yeah, close to 5 at the very end, close to 5. Right now the snow is still coming down. I'm gonna go and measure one of my neighbor's driveways. See how much they got in their driveway. And so this is where I dug some snow this morning. It's already covered back in snow. And that's what you're going to deal with in your driveways. A good 6 inches of snow on their driveway at the end. Now I'm going to go in a little further and say 4 inches. So at your end of your driveway, you're dealing with a good 5 to 6 inches. So really, it's not easy to get out on the road. Now, by people's mailboxes, a good 6 inches right here in front of their mailbox. As you can see, somebody verged off the road here. And these roads are just not getting any better. I would advise people to stay off the roads today and stay off the roads for the morning, at least tomorrow. They might be better by tomorrow afternoon. I don't know. It's just not worth it. So we got a range from 4 to 6 inches on the ground in different places. That wind is really picking up. So just take your time out there. Like I said earlier, I helped this guy across the street on the other side of Beulah get out of his driveway. He couldn't get out because of the good 4 to 5 inches of snow at the end of his driveway. So, just stay indoors. It's not worth to get out in this weather. Now let's walk down the neighborhood and see what we're dealing with. You see, this is what we're dealing with in neighborhoods. It's just a bunch of mess of snow. Now you see how it's really compact, so my feet are not going down into the snow. So it's really hard to get through it. Some areas my feet go down, some areas they don't. But this is what you're dealing with. Of course, you're dealing with at least 2 inches or so on your vehicles, possibly ice. So take your time out there. It's not worth it to go the speed limit. If you're on the back road and the speed limit's 25, I would go a lot slower than that. Don't go 25. It's not worth it to get in an accident. It's actually a lot better safe to just stay home. Just look at this beautiful snow that we have out here. Measure another area. Good 3 inches back here. Plus, one of these areas back here was taking a while to cover up anyway. Now the wind is really blowing right now. I don't know if you can hear in the camera, but it's blowing. So it's not worth it to be out here because your car could technically blow in this wind probably. And of course, walking against the wind, I should have walked around the other way. But this is what you're dealing with. Let's check the snow again. Good 4 inches. Where's that truck going? They're almost 5 inches. So, this is what you're dealing with out in your neighborhoods. Even though it's not a lot of snow, we haven't got what they were calling for, it's still enough to cause trouble and problems on the roads. So, good 4 to 5 inches on the road, on the neighborhoods. Now let's walk to another neighborhood and see what we're dealing with hill-wise. And the good thing, we have not lost power yet. But with this wind picking up, we might. good 6 inches. So at this end, a good 6 inches. So